Hello students, myself Praveen Mendiratta. I can discuss the paper of AIPMT 2014, question number 14. In this problem, n drops, certain drops makes one big drop. We know that in this process, total volume of droplets remains same, but surface area is decreases. In this problem, suppose initially we have n drops of radius r and finally one drop of radius capital R. In this process, volume of droplet is same. Now volume becomes equal. Initial volume of drop 4 pi 3 pi r cube into n. Final volume of one drop is 1 into 4 pi 3 pi r to the power 3. Now relation between n and r. N into small r to the power 3 is equal to r to the power 3. Now we say that n is equal to r to the power 3 upon r to the power 3. Similarly, in this condition, when n drops makes one big drop, in this process, surface area of droplet is decreases and amount of energy is absorbed. Now amount of energy is absorbed is equal to change in surface tension in change in area. Now in this condition, area of droplets, final area is 4 pi r square and initial area of n drops n into 4 pi r square. In this condition, 4 pi is common. Now 4 pi t r square, small n is equal to r to the power 3 upon r to the power 3 into r square. Similarly, common is r to the power 3, 4 pi r to the power 3 t, 1 upon r minus 1 upon r. Now expression becomes in terms of volume. We multiply that expression from 3 and divide from 3. Then 4 pi 3 pi r cube is equal to volume of drop. Volume of drop, then energy is equal to 3 VT, 1 upon R minus 1 upon R. Okay, we know that R is greater than R. Now U is equal to negative. Now we can say that energy in this process is released. Energy in this process is released 3 VT, 1 upon R minus 1 upon R. Now answer of this problem is option number 3rd.